apparently, grape leaf tea is a thing. So I picked a bunch of grape leaves and I dried them, and now I'm going to make a cup of tea. I'm going to crinkle them up a little bit and put them in a container, and I'm going to make a cup of tea and we'll try it. Grape leaf tea. So MeMaw said she would also try the grape tea. So it doesn't have much color to it. It's very, very light. And I know the Vineyard Chicks, their mixes have other stuff in it, like mint and stuff, but I wanted to taste the base flavor.
So who's going to read my tea leaves?
You are.
I don't read tea leaves.
I don't believe in tea leaves. Sorry. I only believe in God.
I don't read tea leaves.
Okay, well, I guess nobody's going to read them then.
Mine says, your daughter will no longer be mad at you. For telling her,
don't believe tea leaves.
For telling her she smells like cat poop. Which is something I said today.
It is something she said today. And what else did you say? Oh, no, don't say it. Don't say the R word. We'll get in trouble.
Even though it wasn't true.
Even though it wasn't true. She still said it.
I still said it, yeah.
It hurt my feeling.
And then she sent me a scary face in Messenger to put me in my place. It worked. So I said, I'll try your tea. I'll try it. She put poison in it.
Nope, just
Probably.
Grape leaves. Unsprayed grape leaves. I washed them.
Doesn't smell like
and
anything.
I dried them.
Doesn't smell like anything.
Doesn't smell like anything. Doesn't smell like grapes or grass or... Well...
It's hot.
It's hot? Well, that's good.
Doesn't have any particular flavor.
No? Does it have flavor? Like, or does it just taste like hot water?
Tastes a little bit more like something more than hot water.
Like something more than hot water?
It looks like that something came out of our tap last week.
I must have missed that.
Last week, 2 weeks ago. They worked on our water system around here. And we had funny looking water for
Did we?
a while.
Funny smelling too.
This is probably why.
Is it good or is it bad or?
It's not bad. It's not good.
What do you think might make it better?
More tea leaves.
More tea leaves? I filled up your tea leaf thing. Maybe I put too many in. And they weren't able to expand and soak. I put the same amount of...
Don't real people just put tea leaves in the water and let it steep and then drink it by avoiding the tea leaves? And then
Real people? What exactly do you mean by real people, Mom? What exactly are we in comparison? Do you mean other people?
Real people that know something about tea. That know something about tea.
About grape leaf tea? I don't know. Ask.
About any kind of tea.
I don't like tea leaves
Yeah,
in my tea.
real people.
Real people.
Or you could strain them afterwards. Nope, doesn't taste like nothing. My taste?
I have my own brewing in the other room. What do you think would make it better?
It's stronger.
If it was stronger, more of the same flavor, or stronger mixed with a different flavor?
No, stronger, more of the same flavor.
Okay.
It's not a bad flavor. It's just not very much flavor there.
Okay.
So maybe some more flavor.
Okay. Well, you could let it steep for a little longer.
I did.
And see if it gets stronger. The longer it steeps, the stronger it will get.
Okay, I'll put it back in.
And let it steep for a little longer.
If I can get it out
Okay,
of this
on our live on Saturday night, you can tell people whether the tea got any better or not.
Okay, there. There, steeping.
Okay.
Okay. We're crazy around here.
So it's my turn to taste. It does have just a little bit of taste. I think I'm going to do the same thing that Mom is doing. Throw in a few more of the leaves and let it steep again for another 5 minutes or so and try it again. It does have a good taste. I could also see mixing it with other flavors, like it being an excellent base flavor to mix with. I know the chicks mix it with mint, which I have, and I could also, like, there's a few other things that I could try mixing it with too that would change the flavor. I think maybe I'll try them one by one. Something that I need to do with all of my stuff is taste it in an individual tea. All of my herbs and stuff, as I'm going to open my own apothecary. Well, I'm not going to open one, but I'm going to have one. I'm going to create one in my house with mostly homemade stuff or homegrown stuff, but possibly with some other stuff too. So stay tuned for that coming up. And stay tuned for a tea update. Grape Leaves Tea.